Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm NT, founder and CEO of FitGrid, and first I want to thank all of you for using the FitGrid system. As people say, we love you. No, but seriously, we love what you do in your communities and for your clients, especially during this crazy COVID era. And every day we think about how we can do more to help you achieve your goals. That includes recognizing some of the very real threats that exist to our businesses and to our ecosystem. For example, some of the biggest threats these days don't come from other studios, but come from companies like Peloton, The Mirror, Active, etc. Companies that say the studio trend is passé. They're wrong, of course, and we'll see studio attendance bounce back when COVID is over. But I want to share some very exciting new updates that are rolling out in the FitGrid Class App over the course of the next few days and weeks. The way we think about this app internally is that it's an automatic community builder for our studio partners that, number one, generates more referrals, number two, connects people in the studio, and number three, increases engagement and retention. Think of it as a social network for your studio. And now that we've launched this app to hundreds of our studio partners, we've been working on some pretty exciting new updates. The most important update is our new wallet feature, and this will allow clients to buy classes in the FitGrid app. Until now, it's been possible to reserve classes, but not to buy them. We're finally doing something about that. Soon, Class App users will be able to book and pay for classes. But there's another important part of this that I want to talk about. Along with the rollout of this new capability, and as you should have heard, we're also implementing a service charge of $1.99 when your clients reserve a class. Now, this isn't part of a money grab on our part. We'd love that cost to be as low as possible, but the operating costs we have to pay to allow those reservations means we don't make a lot of money on this. Now, still, the app is free for your studio and free for your clients. They can still use all the social features, workout tracking, message notifications, and friend connections for free. However, if they do choose to reserve a class through the app, they will be notified that they'll be charged a $1.99 fee, which they can choose to accept or not. If they don't choose to accept it, they can book the way they normally do, through your website or whatever, and pay no service fee. For your clients, this will feel similar to the service charges they get with all kinds of other popular apps like Fandango, Seamless, Grubhub, etc. Now, why are we doing this? Well, so far you've assumed the financial burden of running a successful studio, and you've chosen to partner with FitGrid to help you with that. We're grateful. In order to continue building great new products without passing those costs along to you, our studio partners, we're asking the app users to support this new product we've worked so hard to build in the form of that service charge. We've built in a bunch of cool features that make it super convenient for them to reserve through the app, and furthermore, we're donating a percentage of our fee to charity to help get the world through this crazy time. We believe a bunch of clients will choose to pay the service charge. And of course, the more your clients book in FitGrid, the more you benefit. For example, we're seeing that almost 15 to 20% of clients booking through our app invite friends to their classes using our invite features. We've also built other features to keep clients returning to your studio. And of course, you get more information about who your clients are that are engaging with the app. So when will this be rolling out? 2 phases. Phase 1 will roll out in the next 2 to 4 weeks, and Phase 2 will roll out roughly 6 to 8 weeks from now. We'll keep you posted as this happens, but we wanted to give you a heads up. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And as always, see you on the grid. Take care.